Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for coming back. So yeah, I'm about to leave home now. I'm gonna put all the stuff in the car. I reckon I might go mountain biking a bit. Just adjust. That's better. So yeah, put the stuff in the car, I'll be ready to go.
And as I remember the story you telling me many years ago, this came about because, first of all, playing with your thumb rather than a pick was quieter. Yeah.
Going, guys. I know roughly it's kind of like the right road, but I'm not sure where to turn off, so hopefully I don't get lost. The main reason I stopped is because just down here there's a quarry. I think I might have gone a bit too far up, I might not be able to see it. Yeah, so down through that little valley there's a bigger quarry, and there's like an area where you can go swimming and stuff. It's pretty cool. So I reckon in a few vlogs time I might go there. So I arrived to the mountain bike car parking just now. I got a bit lost on the way, guys, but it's alright, I'm here now. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a little mountain bike session. I don't really want to bring the camera with me because I think it'll just slow me down and it'll just jump around a bit. So if you want to see me mountain biking or you just want to see what happened, I'll probably put a few Snapchat stories up. So follow me on Snapchat, Marco303. So I just finished the mountain bike ride. Pretty tiring. The thing I don't really like about this place, it's called Fox Creek, like I said, the mountain bike tracks, right? It's not like a circuit. It's like a track, and then you have to go up the fire roads. Fire roads are usually pretty steep, so it's kind of annoying. But I'm gonna put the bike in the car, and then I might go to the beach later on and meet some friends. I'll have to wait and see. Bathing prohibited, guys. Look at this river, pretty cool. So I just found something very spooky, guys. It's really weird, actually. Have a look at this. It looks like a cave or something. Fuck, that's creepy. Yeah, so it looks like a cave or something. I don't know what it is, but like underneath there's like a pipe running through, so maybe they use it for water or something, I don't know. Comment down below if you guys know of any creepy caves or anything like that. They're pretty weird, but yeah, pretty cool at the same time, I guess. What else there is? There's water coming out of the ground, guys. How weird is that? Water's coming out of... That truck came pretty close. And I went to, Fox Creek. So I just arrived at Glenelg now. It's pretty much a beach in Adelaide. The beach is just down there, guys. So yeah, I'm meeting a few friends. So yeah, we might go jetty jumping and do a few other fun stuff. So we're walking towards the beach now with Natalia. Say hi. We're going to go meet a few other people now. And yeah, we're going to head down.
If you are ever in a town
Yo, how are we?
go and watch it. Notice the key word was watch. Go and watch it, and then come back and show me how he does that.
we just finished the volleyball session. Did you guys like it?
It was good. We won.
What do you rate your skills out of 10?
10.
Simona?
10.
Alessio?
Probably 0, mate.
0? I thought you were the professional.
Probably the shittest one there.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we're just heading down the jetty now. Then we might go jetty jumping. We'll have to wait and see. About to go jetty jumping. Hopefully it goes alright. Hopefully the water's deep enough, guys.
According to the laws of aerodynamics, of wing surface to body weight, that it's aerodynamically impossible for the bumblebee to fly. But the bee, not knowing this, flies. West Montgomery.
So yeah, jetty jumping was fun. These guys didn't go in because they forgot their bathers. Not a smart move, guys. Nah.
Ponta ripped his pants.
Yeah, Ponta ripped his pants.
That's quite nuanced.
Playing volleyball. That's alright though. Do you reckon you guys would be nervous for it? Or do you reckon just do it?
No, nervous.
Nah, I'd do it.
Yeah. I'm keen to see how you go.
But the bee, not knowing this, flies. West Montgomery.
See you later, guys. We're gonna go home now. Finish the beach session. Hey, see you later, Natalia. Have a good day. See ya.